In this video, we'll discuss the IC7805, one of the most widely used voltage regulator integrated circuits. The IC7805 is a linear voltage regulator that provides a fixed and regulated 5-volt DC output. It is commonly used whenever electronic circuits require a stable 5-volt supply. The IC7805 is available in several packages, including TO220, TO3, TO92, and D2 Park 3. Among these, the TO220 package is the most popular because it can easily be mounted on a heat sink for better heat dissipation. The IC belongs to the 78XX series of positive voltage regulators. In this series, the last two digits indicate the regulated output voltage. Therefore, 7805 means a fixed 5-volt regulator. Now let's look at its pin configuration. The IC7805 has 3 terminals. Pin 1 is the input terminal. Pin 2 is the ground terminal. Pin 3 is the regulated output terminal. The device typically requires an input voltage higher than 5 volts to maintain regulation. In many practical circuits, an input between 7 and 25 volts is commonly used, and the IC regulates it down to a stable 5-volt output. Next, let's understand its internal operation. Inside the IC, there is a precise reference voltage source, an error amplifier, a series pass transistor, and protection circuitry. The regulator continuously compares a portion of the output voltage with the internal reference voltage. If the output voltage increases or decreases due to changes in input voltage or load current, the error amplifier controls the pass transistor accordingly. This feedback mechanism helps maintain a constant 5-volt output. The 7805 is popular because it offers several built-in protection features. It includes thermal shutdown protection, which prevents damage caused by excessive temperature. It also provides short-circuit protection and current limiting, making the device robust and reliable. Another advantage is its simplicity. Only a few external components are needed, and no complex adjustment is required. The IC7805 is widely used in regulated power supplies, Arduino, and other microcontroller-based circuits, embedded systems, battery power devices, and various DIY electronics projects. In fact, it can be used in almost any application that requires a stable 5-volt supply. For improved performance, capacitors are usually connected at both the input and output terminals. A 0.33 microfarad capacitor is commonly placed at the input, while a 0.1 microfarad capacitor is connected at the output. These capacitors help improve stability, reduce unwanted fluctuations, and enhance transient response. And that's a brief overview of the IC7805. Thanks for watching, and subscribe this channel for more electronics tutorials.